What is up, guys? Today we gotta show you a sea review called a sand temple. So you're gonna type in the sea. Okay. Yeah, this is a sea probably.
No, 3, 4.
And
3, 4.
And you'll spawn here, as you guys see here, and then you will see this thing right here, and you guys know that it's covered in sand. So yeah, so let's open this. So here's the doorway. It's covered by sand. See, it's covered by sand. Okay, this is a doorway. You go once you go inside it, there is this sand temple here. Here's the roof, and here's the second floor, and this purple thing, right? Break this block, and then you will find this treasure room right here, and yeah, and so yeah, so this is the treasure room, and then let's see what is in there. Well, cool. Then we got some iron, got some bone, we got some gold, and what we got here? Ooh, got some iron, bone, gold, and some rod and flesh. And what we got here? Well, we got the same thing, but with no iron, and finally with diamonds. Yeah, here is 3 diamonds, but you can't see 3 diamonds. And yeah, if you tap on this thing, you guys know TNT's under. And yeah, if you tap on this thing, you'll explode. So I'll just show you right now. See, it activates it. Then yeah, it explodes. And this will happen if you tap on it. So don't tap on this. Make sure you're in creative so you won't tap on this thing. So yeah, I'll show you the layer of it. Let's get off. Okay, this is the front. This is the other side here, and there is here. And yeah, I'm gonna get the sand out. So I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, sorry that I destroyed some of them because I used TNTs. Yeah, see, I use TNTs and flint steel. So yeah, I'm sorry that I destroyed it, but you can check out by yourself. So yeah, this is the front layer. Sorry I destroyed some of that. And here's the second layer. I did fix it, but I don't know how you do this back. So I just put random blocks, like just sandstone and stuff. And here's the angle. I destroyed a lot of it because with TNT, I don't know. And then here's the other angle, and if you guys see, it's the water temple. It's a water sand temple. And here's the other angle, not too much. And in this, we have these 2 towers and this big huge pyramid. And then yeah, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like the video. So guys, yeah guys, wait till I explode this thing. So guys, and yeah guys, please subscribe, that I say again. And yeah, and guys, bye.